Vaida with Sukri, and today I will show you hands-on project chapter 9, Managing Linux Processes. First, this project is do it in VirtualBox Oracle. Okay, in this hands-on project, you view the characteristic of process using the PS command. Firstly, we need to put our CentOS and then enter the root localhost. So at the command prompt, type ps and enter. So we can see the process ID, which process have most process in the terminal column. What does this character in the terminal column indicate? And then which user started most of the process. And then you can see most processes are displayed on the screen and started by certain parent process indicate the process ID column. If the ID which process is the parent to most processes. And then click Q to create. And then the PS, PL to view the process date for the first process start on the entire Linux system. And then in this command, operator is listed as column for most process, and what does the character indicate? In what range of number is it possible to have in the nice column? The second one is nice column, and then which process the number 4 in the flag F column, and what does this number indicate? And then it use PS EL to display zombie process on your Linux system, and then so we can see the zombie from here. So that's all. You can visit the shell. Okay, thank you. Hi, I am Vaida with Sukri, and today I will show you hands-on project chapter 9, Managing Linux Processes. First, this project is do it in VirtualBox Oracle. Okay, in this hands-on project, you view the characteristic of process using the PS command. Firstly, we need to put our CentOS and then enter the root localhost. So at the command prompt, type ps and enter. So we can see the process ID, which process have most process in the terminal column. What does this character in the terminal column indicate? And then which user started most of the process. And then you can see most processes are displayed on the screen and started by certain parent process indicate the process ID column. If the ID which process is the parent to most processes. And then click Q to create. And then the PS EL to view the process date for the first process start on the entire Linux system. And then in this command, operator is listed as column for most process, and what does the character indicate? In what range of number is it possible to have in the nice column? The second one is nice column, and then which process the number 4 in the flag F column, and what does this number indicate? And then it use PS EL to display zombie process on your Linux system and there. So we can see the zombie from here. So that's all. Okay, visit the shell. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sakinah binti Jahidin. This is the step for project 9.3. In this hands-on project, you run process in the background, kill them using the kill and kill all commands, and change their priorities using the nice and renice command. First, switch to the command line terminal by pressing CTRL plus ALT plus F2 and log into the terminal using the username of root and the password secret. Second, at the command prompt, type sleep 6000 and press enter to start the sleep command, which waits 6000 seconds in the foreground. Do you get your prompt back after you enter this command? No. Send the process an INT signal by typing the CTRL plus C key combination. Step 3. At the command prompt, type sleep 6000 and press enter to start the sleep command, which waits 6000 seconds in the background. Observe the background job ID and PID that is returned. Step 4. Bring the background sleep process to the foreground by typing FG%1 at the command prompt and press enter. Send the process an INT signal by typing Ctrl C key combination. Step 5. Place another sleep command in memory by typing sleep 6000 and pressing enter. Repeat this command 3 more times to place total of 4 sleep commands in memory. Step 6. At the command prompt, type jobs and press enter to view the jobs running in the background. What does plus symbol indicate? Step 7. At the command prompt, type kill % and press enter to terminate the most recent process and view the output. Step 8. At the command prompt, type kill %1 and press enter to terminate the background job 1 and view the output. Step 9. At the command prompt, type kill all sleep and press enter to terminate the remaining sleep process in memory. Verify that there are no more sleep process in memory by typing jobs command and press enter. Step 10. Place a sleep command in memory by typing sleep 6000N at the command prompt and press enter. Step 11. Place a sleep command in memory with a lower priority by typing NICE-N 19 sleep 6000N at the command prompt and pressing enter. Step 12. Verify that these two processes has different NICE value by typing the command ps-el grab sleep at the command prompt and pressing enter. At the command prompt, type renice plus 10 PID to change the priority of the process. Type the command ps-el grab sleep and press enter to verify the new priority. Type exit and press enter to log out of your shell. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sakinah binti Jahidin. This is the step for project 9.4. In this hands-on project, you view and manage process using the top command line utility. First step, switch to a command line terminal by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus F2 and log in to the terminal using the username of root and the password secret. Second, at the command prompt, type top and press enter. From the output on the terminal screen, record the following information. Number of process 83, number of sleeping process 82, amount of total memory 1016232, amount of total swap memory 839676. Step 4. While in the top utility, press the hash key and observe the output. When finished, press any key to return to the previous top output. Step 5. By observing the output under the command column on the terminal screen, identify the PID of the top command in the output and record it. Type R in the top utility to change the priority of the running process. When asked which process to change, type the PID from the previous question. When asked which value to use, type 10 to lower the priority of the top process to 10. Does this new priority take effect immediately? Step 7. Type K in the top utility to send a kill signal to the process. When asked which process, type the PID used in the previous question. When asked which signal to send, type 2 to send an INT signal. Step 8. At the command prompt, type top and press enter. By observing the output under the command column on your terminal screen, identify the PID of the top command in the output. Record it. Type K in the top utility to send a K signal to a process. When asked which process, type the PID used in the previous question. When asked which signal to send, type 15 to send a term and signal. Did the term signal allow to top to exit cleanly? At the command prompt, type clear and press enter to clear the screen. Type exit and press enter to log out of your shell.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afzaini Zambinci Ibrahim. This is stat for project 9.5. In this hand-on project, you schedule process by using the add a content utilities. 1. Switch to a command line terminal TTY by pressing Ctrl Alt F2 and log in into the terminal using the username of root and the password secret. Step 2. Schedule process to run 1 minute in the future by typing the command add now plus 1 minute at a command prompt and press enter. Okay, step number 3. When the at prompt appears, type the word date and press enter. Number 4. When the second at prompt appear, type the word woo and press enter. Number 5. When the third at prompt appears, press the Ctrl D key combination to finish the scheduling and observe the output. When you will your job run, where where will the output of the date and woo command be sent? Number 6. In approximately 1 minute, you will receive mail from the daemon. Check your email by typing mail at command line and pressing enter. Look at the email which the subject typing mail at command line and pressing enter. Look at Look for the email which the subject typing mail. Look for the email which the subject output from your job and record the number. Number 7. At the prompt, type the number that corresponds to the email in the previous step. Press enter and observe the output. When finished, type Q at the prompt and press enter to exit the mail program. Number 8. At the command prompt, type contract 1 and press enter to edit new cron table. Do you have one? Okay, we go to number 9. At the command prompt, type contract E and press enter to edit new cron table for the root user. When the V editor appears at the line 30, 20, star star 5, bin and force. Number 10. When you finish typing, save and quit the V editor and observe the output on the terminal screen. Next, number 11. At the command prompt, type content -1, press enter to edit a new cron table. When will the bin force command run? Number 12. At the command prompt, type cat var spool cron or root and press enter to list your cron table from the cron directory. Is it the same as the output from the previous command? At the command prompt, type cron tab -R and press enter to remove your cron table. Lastly, number 40. Type exit and press enter to log out of your shell. Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Afzal Nizam. This is step for project 9.6. In this hand-on project, you will information that we export by the Linux kernel to the prone directory. Step 1. Switch to a command line terminal TTY2 by pressing Ctrl Alt F2 and log in into the terminal using the username of root and the password secret. Step 2. At the command prompt, type cd slash proc and press enter to change your current directory to proc. Next, type next type ls to list the directory contents and examine the output on the terminal screen. Why are the subdirectory name using number? Number 3. At the command prompt, type cat meminfo less and press enter to list information about total and available memory. How does the value for total memory minimum total compare with the information from stat 3 in project 9.4? Number 4. At the command prompt, type cat swap and press enter to list information about total and available swap memory. How does the value for total swap memory size compare with the information from stat 3 in the project 9.4? Number 5. At the command prompt, type cd1 and press enter to enter the subdirectory that contain information about the init daemon PID equal to 1. Number 6. At the command prompt, type ls and press enter to list the file in the prod1 directory. Next, next type cat status less and press enter. What is the state of the init daemon? Does it list the correct PID and PPID? For the last step, type exit and press enter to log out of your shell.